Hey guys, working on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Our window has gone out. Simple as that. Rolling the window down, we tried to roll it up, just sounded like straight garbage. Window was stuck. We even saw something pop out the window. So I already took this off before, had to put a block of wood to hold it up. But now we got ourselves a new motor and regulator. So to start, you can just simply kind of pry on this. See, it has this little cup right here. Hooks under here, hooks under this green part. There's a little trim piece right in here. Get your tool. We're gonna kind of pull on it like that. Good. And that's out. There's another trim piece here, but it's already missing. And this is a T20. I'm assuming this is the same size. So I'm gonna get these two out. Alright, we're just gonna start prying. Just like that. Come up here. So I'm using plastic. And there we go. We'll lift it up. Keep on doing it. And she's out. Alright. Little ball here. I'm gonna lift it up, show you how to put that back. And there's one connector here, and that's out. She's out. As you can already see right there, this came up when we was rolling the window up. But you can start by just pulling this leather insulation out. You don't need to completely remove it, but you need to be able to see. I think I'm gonna pull this out too. Pull that little clip back. There we go. Now, let's pull this through like that. And for the most part, we'll just leave it like so. Okay, so what I'm looking at right here is look like a 10 mil here, 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 and here. Alright, right here, we're gonna loosen up the window. Okay, get right here, little swivel. See if I can get it. Height is a little bit off. Come in here like so. Got this wood we're using to hold the window up. Pull this out. Pull this out. We need to disconnect this connector here. Disconnect this joint. You got that? Thank you, sir. And now, there we go. Alright. Prepare your parts. See, this is all destroyed here. And this is all the new stuff. Alright, so I'm going to feed it in here like this. Kind of bring it up. Let's bring this side in too. Forward. And then like that. Now that it's dropped in. Now I'm going to plug it up again. Right here. There you go, heard that clip. Now, you just gotta stand it up a little bit. There we go. Starting to get it. Oh, the window's down. Okay, so just line your holes up. Start over here if you want. Get it here, here. We're gonna start sliding them in. You put the regulator in front of the window, so your window sits behind the regulator. So now while we're here, start snugging them down. Alright. So I'm gonna plug this in. Sometimes doors don't work unless you plug this in. And we're gonna roll this up. Okay, good. Nice and quiet too. Now, as you can see, the screw holes are here, and there's one here. I'm gonna drop the window down, and we're gonna fit them into these little slots. So this actually is like a pretty good height right there. We can see it good. Now we're gonna have to let this down nice and slow, and we're gonna let it feed right here into the windows. Into the slots. And that's one. That's two. Good and tight. Good. Now, just gonna tug this down. Good, nice and tight. Bam. We're gonna bring it down, all the way down. It's all the way down. All the way up. Good. More money. All right, now we can start reassembling things. Back. We're gonna start with the connector again. Now for this lock piece right here, I'll show you guys. Get your lock. It's a ball. You're gonna pull that thing back, and this slides in just like that. And then this door piece goes up in here. Just trying to get that lock piece. Oh, that's why it was in the lock position. There we go. So,
Are you done?
Now it's just pushing all these clips back in. Wonderful. Everything's in all the way. We're gonna put these two screws back. That's in. Now, we forgot one last piece. Our little clip. I'll make sure we get that green part in. Kind of walk it down. There's a little green tab right there. Bam. And it's in. Good. So now, roll this up. Alright. Always make sure. Good. Always test your lock too. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.